Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today is part 3 tutorial of Flutter. Here in our last class we saw the how to write the hello world programming using how to change the font size and font weight and font color, all the stuff we cover about in our last video. In this class I am going to create another page, dot page. Okay, so click on here. The efficient way to you have to do the app is you have to click on this lib folder. Inside the lib folder I am going to create another page. Click new file. Here I am going to create as first dot dot. You have to create as first dot dot. Press enter key. Your new page has been created successfully. Now simply how to import the packages, you have to type st. Here it will, the property, all the property will be displayed look like this. So here we have to select as a stateless widget. Okay, if you click on this one, it automatically import all the stuff. It asks to create the class name. I am going to create the class name is whatever name I am going to give. I just give as first app. I just give the name as first app. Right. Okay, here notice that this is not an error. I already explained what is this one. So here click on this bulb symbol. It asks to import the material dot. Okay, this is the import library, we have to import it. Click on this one. Here the error will be go away. Now inside here what I am going to do is here I am going to import this all the stuff, right? This all the stuff you have to import it. How to import this all the stuff? First we have, this is the subfold. This is the subfold. You have to simply we have to copy this all the stuff here. This one home, this subfold. You have to click on this one. Subfold is starting here, closing here. Okay, you have to, where the subfold is start, where the subfold is close, you must understand this one. It is starting from here, subfold is closing from here. You have to cut off this line. Here if you click on this one, it will be indicate here end subfold. Okay, bracket is must, so you have to Control X to cut off the code. You have to cut off. We have to go to the first dot page. You have to go to the first dot page. What you are going to do is here you have to paste it here. Okay, you have to paste it here. We have to write here return subfold here. Return subfold, you have to paste it here, here like this. Build context return, you have to paste it here. Control V to paste here. Now your subfold is pasting. You are starting here, paste it here. Your subfold. This is how we have to do the programming efficient way. Okay, this is the way we have to do it. Okay, right. Now what I am going to do is here. Now how to run this app is, it's very simple. The way to run the app. Go to the main dot. Here, how to import this page is simply there is a main dot page. This is the page we have to get it here. So how to get it here is you have to write the page, the function name. You have to, what is the function name? First step. You have to Control C to copy. You have to paste it here. This is the page you have to connect it. Okay. So you have to write like this. Now it indicates the error. Why the error should be appear is you have to click on this one. Click on this bulb symbol. You have to import the library. Import library first dot. Here this one. Import library package. This is a new app. Inside new app first dot. This is the package you have to import it. Okay. This widget is inside this first dot page. So it asks to import the page. If you click on the dot symbol, click on the package. Now the error go away. Very simple. This is how you have to run the app. Okay. This is an efficient way. You can notice it. Very simple. Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. Here click on this symbol emulator. It's already there. Right. Now what I'm going to write Flutter run now you can see the same output. Here I have created the separate file. I have put into like this the same code. Here I just call into the only the first step. This only this one only I will call it here. This is the efficient way to do the app. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here, go to the first dot. I am going to go to do some modification over here, right? So here first this app bar first tab, okay, this is the called as this. So app bar first tab. Inside here we have to return the hello world inside the body. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to make some changes over here. I just get rid of these lines. Okay, this text is started. Let's close it here. Okay, this is a close tab, right? I just get rid of this step. Back. Now here what I'm going to do is here you have to write here as body. You have to write center. Body center. You have to write child container. You have to create a container, child container. Alt Shift F. You have to align like this. Okay, this is an efficient way to align the programming. Now here as well width. Here also we have to Alt Shift F. We take the alignment. Okay, so here we have right hand. We have to do it. Okay, so we have width. We have to give 300. Height has 300, comma color, dot right, color colors dot whatever color you can, blue, color blue, comma, you have to write Alt Shift F. It aligned like this. Now simply you have to write the another thing is a text. I'm going to write a text over here. We have to write child. We have to put a child component. Child also we have to write child component. I'm going to explain it here. Okay, this is text. Child object x text. Here we have to write a name. Name here you have to write John. John is a name I'm going to type. After that, what I'm going to do inside the text, we have to type the another thing is comma style text style, the same thing, text style text style. Text style. Here you have to write the same thing. Font size 40, comma font size 40, comma color red. Oh, sorry, colors. We have there's a property called colors. We have to get them from the properties over here. Red, comma font weight. Look right like this, font weight, this one. That's the thing we have to do. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. Okay, we have to write font weight. Okay, sorry, here we have the comma as well. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Right. Now what I am going to do is here this is the things we have to do. This also we have to do it as here. We are simply align it. Click on this cursor over here. Alt Shift F. It simply aligned like this. Here also I am going to align Alt Shift F. Alt Shift F. Select. Okay. So perfect. Well, right. Now the simple way. Now let's run these things. So here I have made some changes. So here I will be explaining it. Now here also you have to write Alt restart. Shift plus R mean sorry. Give the cursor here. Put it the cursor here. Shift R. It or restart. What is the meaning here? I have typed the R something wrong. Okay, here let's save all. Anything went wrong? No. Now let's again we have to run Shift R here. put the cursor over here. Here, click on this one, restart. Right. Now let's check here. The John will be printed inside the container. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? Here, this is a widget. Okay, the app bar, this is the title. The title we have to give first tab. After that, the body. This is the body. Inside the body, this is the title. Inside the body, this is the body tab, body part. Okay, of the widget. Okay, the Flutter I already taught. Flutter each and every stuff, all the things are take it as widget. Okay, this is the body. We have the first style widget. I have created a container. Right, this container means this is a container. Body say container. Right. Here I have set it as a container as body center, mean it is coming the center screen like this. Center screen. We have to give the style container, width should be 300, height should be 300, mean this is the width and height of this circle, right? Okay. Or the color I have given as color blue, mean this is a background color blue. So here child text, this is child container, this is child container. Inside the child container we have a text called John. So John, we have given the style font size 40 means font size 14, color as red, I have given the red color, font weight, this is the font weight I given. Okay, so what I given here will be display over here, right? So if you want to change the, if you have to make the change anything else, here if you make any changes, if you are given here widget width 400, height also 400, color if you are select as yellow, right, font you have to colors we have to change it as black, right. Now we have to click on here Shift R, it should be the restart, hot restart. If you restart here, you will be able to see here. Here it will complete, it will be getting the size as 400. Okay, it is. Okay, this is simple one. You can see here, right? This is very simple. This all the source code I will put into my tutorsfunny.com website. You will be able to put get and do it here. This is how you have to do the widget. Okay, this is a efficient way to do the app. Okay, I hope you guys understood so far. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.